Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nerissa from Informatics Engineering, Waterfall University. Today I will show you a review of journal. The title is Design of Management Information System, Research, Publication, and Community Service. This journal is written by Kodrat Imam Santoso, Kurniawan Teguh Martono, Rizal Isnanto, and Rinta Krida Lukmana. This journal was published at proceeding of 2015, Second International Conference of Information Technology, Computer and Electrical Engineering, ICI TACEE, Indonesia. Introduction. Research activities, publication, and community service is an activity that requires a lot of natural resources, namely the use of paper. The paper is used for documentation purposes such as proposals, progress reports, and a final report. In addition, the use of paper that is quite a lot of this will also cause problems in the storage and management. Diponegoro University, or UNDIP, research activities, publication, and community service is controlled by research institution and community service, or we also call it as LPPM. The amount of activity will cause a lot of problems in the management, storage, and delivery of information. For example, delays in the presentation of information, such as the recapitulation for study program, may hamper the preparation of accreditation report. Information System Management, or MIS, is the application for information technology to support the major functions and activities of either a private sector business or public sector institution. In the past, organizations recognized the importance of managing resources such as labor, capital, and raw materials. Today, it is widely accepted that managing the information resource is very often equally important. Literature review. Information system. An information system is one that collects, processes, stores, and analyzes and disseminates data and information for a specific purpose. The composition of information system is usually the same, which contain hardware, software, data, procedures, and people. Information systems are usually connected by means of electronic networks. The connecting network can be wireline or wireless. A database is an organized logical grouping of related files. In a database, data are integrated and related so that one set of software programs provides access to all the data. Database Management System, or DBMS, are a ubiquitous and critical component of modern computing and the result of decades of research and development in both academia and industry. The third is CodeIgniter. CodeIgniter is a web application framework that is open source used to build dynamic PHP applications. The main purpose is to assist the development of CodeIgniter developers to work on apps faster than writing all the code from scratch. Using approach of model, view and controller, or MVC. It is possible to separate between logical functions and the display of the application. In its application, this approach makes possible for a web page to contain a script of web page as minimal as possible as it is separated from the PHP script. This is a design of waterfall model. Research conducted using the method of software development with the waterfall model. This development through 5 stages, namely requirements analysis, design, implementation, testing, and last is maintenance. The necessary requirements in information system research, publication, and public service as follows. First, actor lecturers can propose activities through an online application. Second is actor university leaders can obtain summary information activities. And the third, actor operator can monitor and perform system settings. The fourth is each actor is given the identification, a username, password, and access level to create a workflow system in this study using use case diagram. The next is a logical model database. To store the data generated by each user, it is necessary to design the database. The next is login process. Security design for the login process using MD5 modified and supplemented with salt. Salt comprising random bits used as a key input for the derivative function. Next, we have a result. This is interface design resulting from implementation process is shown in this picture. And then it is a page views for actor. Result of functional testing of the interface design on management information system application information system application research, publication, and community service UNDIP for login function showing table 1. The next is the black box testing for the actor lecture, where component testing performed on 3 main components. Black box test results to the actor lecture can be seen in table 2. Next is the black box testing for the actor operator, where component testing performed on 3 main components. Black box test results to the actor operator can be seen in table 3. Last is black box testing for the actor leadership, where component testing performed on 3 main components. Black box test results to the actor leadership can be seen in table 4. Conclusion and review. The process of designing a database takes a very important role in a management information system. The process of database design requires the stage that must be passed is without normalization phase 1 and the normalization phase 2. The test results using all the available black box user interface components that real-life actors can operate according to the initial scenario. In my opinion, this article has explained the theory in detail, but the user interface of the application that has been made is not complete because there is only the start page and the page for user. Besides checking for an application, it is better to use more than one test so that results are more accurate. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.